For best results with body line, you're going to want to make sure that your body lines are visible since you're doing your metal work. Here I am standing at an angle, making sure that my body line isn't too in or too out and it's as even as possible. So when it comes to body lines, tape and a pencil are going to be your best friend. Let me show you. I'm putting pressure on my middle finger, making sure my pencil is even on the line. Make sure you work that and you drop your line all the way down. So I'm going to be cutting the top part of my line so my tape goes below. So I stick with my left, pull and shape with my right hand. And now I'm going to start cutting the line. Now to do the other side, you reverse the tape. So the tape goes on top and now you're going to sand the bottom part. Same process as the other one, just reversed. When you're done sanding that, your line is going to be very sharp, so make sure you smooth out and make it as round as it needs to be. Compare with the other side for best results, and there you have it, a good body line.